here, back with another Dollar Tree haul that I want to share with you guys. So before we get started, I want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So getting into this Dollar Tree haul, this week they had some new items that I was kind of excited about. I found these jars with these tops like that. I'm not really sure what you call them. They have like a silvery marble type of distressed look. I'm not really sure how to explain it. I thought these were super cute. I picked up 2 of these to decorate around with. I just thought they were adorable and I couldn't pass them up. Also had these XOXO decor pieces. They had them in the silver and they had them in the red. To me, this is like Valentine's-y. Probably save it to put out for that time, and until then. They also had these new little trinket dishes with the covers. There's a good amount of space in here for some jewelry, and I thought this was very cute with the bow. This is in the rose gold. They also had it in gold and silver, and I took a picture for you. They also had lots of new snow globes. So I went ahead and I picked up this gold snow globe with the gold elephant, and it has the little elephant on the outside. The glitter inside is like iridescent snow. I thought this was really cute. I picked it up in gold and I picked it up in the silver here. And the silver, you see, has the silver elephant. I thought these were super duper cute. I love elephants. They are for good luck, so when I see them, I get them. And they also did have another elephant. They had these silver figurine elephants, and they had dogs also. I thought this was very cute, and I picked one of these guys up as well. I think I'm being a little crazy with the nautical rope, but it was still there, so I grabbed another bunch of nautical rope. I also picked up some orange ribbon. I thought this was very cute with the little pattern on it to do some full decor with. So I did pick up one of these, and this ribbon is how many? It is 3 yards or 9 feet. I also went ahead and picked up a package of leaves here. I thought the variety was cute. I want to do some decorating with these maple leaves. There's 50 leaves in this package. And at the Dollar Tree, they had a lot of packages of leaves, so they're all different. So if you guys are looking, look around in the package. This one had the gold leaves, and that's what I liked. I also picked up 2 of these floral foam cones. I gotta tell you, the Dollar Tree is much better priced for these types of things than Michael's, so always go there first and make sure you could get it at the Dollar Tree if possible. I did go ahead and I picked up this black cat. I am a cat lover and I just thought this was cute. Obviously, this is a Halloween decor cat, and I don't know what I'll do with it, but I like it for some reason, so I grabbed it. So in the makeup aisle, I was really excited to come across the matte lipstick I've been searching for. This is by City Color. These are the matte lipsticks, and I wanted to show you guys how this looked. I picked this one up. It's called Phoebe, and it's M33. Not bad. I think this looks very good. I like this color. It feels not sticky. It is matte. It's not a gigantic lipstick, but there's still a lot of lipstick in the tube here. And I think it went on nice and smooth, real easy. So if you're like me and you don't like to spend a lot of money on makeup, the Dollar Tree is the place to go, guys. If you know what you're buying with the makeup, you really can get good deals at the Dollar Tree. The other thing in the beauty aisle I got was another one of these hair clips. I had picked up one of these last week. This is some new brand called Eye Candy, and it does say super hold, and it is super hold. That's why I grabbed another one while they had it. I am wearing the eye candy headband right now. This is really great. It's not too tight, and I think it just looks perfect. So I totally recommend this new brand that they're carrying. I hope it sticks around. And that's it for my Dollar Tree haul this week. I wanted to share. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my new finds. Please comment down below. Let me know what you enjoyed most. So guys, please, if you haven't already, scroll back up and subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, share with friends, and always make sure you have that bell icon tapped so you get notified for all my future notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.